Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can secure your seed phrases. So in this video, we have 6 steps. So let's start with the first warning. Which is the golden rule of crypto. So just a warning that never digitize your seed phrase. So there will be no photos, screenshots, cloud, or email storage. So in this video, we will cover secure physical storage methods that protect against digital and physical threats. So let's start with the first one, which is copy on paper. This one is offline. So immediately write the 12 or 24 words down on paper and verify it twice for spelling and order. So you can use Archival quality paper or the paper provided by your hardware wallet manufacturer. Next is to upgrade to metal storage. So you can transfer the phrase to an engraved or stamped metal plate, or paper burns and metal does not. So the metal backups protect your phrase from fire, water damage, and natural deterioration over time. Next is split the phrase. But this one is advanced, so you can break the phrase into 2 or 3 parts, like for example, the words 1 to 8, and 9 to 16, and 17 to 24. You can break them into phrases and then store them separately. So if someone finds one part, they cannot access your wallet, and all parts are needed for recovery. Next is to choose physical storage spots. So you can store the parts in different secure locations, like for example, home safe, relative safe, and the bank safe deposit box. So what you're gonna need to not to do is to store them all in one or same house or location. So just in case of fire or burglary. And lastly is to test your recovery process. So periodically you can test your written phrases by restoring a new and an empty wallet on a clean device. So this will confirm your backups if they are legible or correct. So before, you never need it in emergency, and never enter your phrase online. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!